oxygen to form metallic oxides, and generally metallic oxides, most of the metallic oxides are basic in nature because when they dissolve in water they form bases, and that is why they are called basic oxides. But there are some oxides like oxides of aluminium, zinc, iron, etc. They react both with acid and base to form corresponding salt and water. So such oxides which react both with acid and base to form salt and water are called amphoteric oxides. That we have yesterday we have seen or not. I want your responses, children. I
Yes,
want
sir.
your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have we seen or not? Okay. Then at the end, we have seen yesterday that there are metals like aluminium, copper, magnesium. They form a thin protective layer of their oxides over them, which prevents them from reacting with further oxygen. Okay. So we will write one note. We will write one note, children. Note, write down. Metals like metals like aluminium, magnesium, iron, copper form form a thick layer of form a thin layer of their oxides, thin layer of their oxides, thin layer of their oxides, thin layer of their oxides. These oxides prevent the metal from further reacting with oxygen, reacting with oxygen, reacting with oxygen. Okay. Now, one more important point, there are some metals which do not react with oxygen at all. For example, gold, silver, platinum. These are called inert metals, so they do not react with oxygen at all. Metals like, write down, metals like gold means Au, Ag, silver, platinum, Pt, etc. do not react with oxygen at all, do not react with oxygen at all, oxygen at all. These metals are inert metals. These metals are called inert, or what are they called? Can you tell me? These metals are also called noble metals. These metals are also called noble metals. Very good. These metals are called noble metals. So this is all about the reaction of metals with oxygen. Now we will see second property of metals, that is reaction reaction with water. Reaction with water. Okay. So shall we proceed, children? Shall we proceed?
Sir,
Hurry up, children. Note down so that we can proceed further. Okay, now I'm rubbing the board. Second property is reaction with water. Reaction with water. Okay, reaction with water. See, children, very important thing that we have been studying since class 8, that there are metals like sodium and potassium. They are highly reactive metals. So when they come in contact with water, their reaction is highly violent. So they are stored in kerosene oil. Okay. So all metals do not react with water at the same rate. Okay, basically when metals react with water, they form their corresponding hydroxide and hydrogen oxide. Hydrogen gas is given out. Hydrogen is given out. Okay, children, let us write down. When metals react with reaction, the second one, reaction with water. See, what have I said just now? That metals, all metals do not react with water at the same rate. Some metals react at a very high rate, at a very speedy rate, like sodium and potassium. That is why, in order to avoid their contact with air and water, they are stored under kerosene. This you all know. There are some metals which are moderately active, metals like zinc, calcium, magnesium. They do not react with cold water, they react with hot water, like this. And there are some metals which do not react with cold water, neither they react with hot water, nor they react with cold water, but they react with steam. For example, iron. Okay, that we are going to see in this section of the chapter, that is reaction with oxygen. Okay, first of all we will write down. First of all, we will write metals react with, very, very important, metals react with water to give metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay. But what happens now? Sometimes this metal oxide, some metal oxides are soluble in water. So they form hydroxides. So they form what? Hydroxides. Okay. Those metal oxides which are soluble in water, they form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. ठीक है ना? प्लीज पे अटेंशन. पहले तो क्या होगा? लाइक सी, metal plus water. First of all, it will give metal oxide plus hydrogen. But what will happen if this metal oxide, if it is soluble in water, it will further react with water to form metal hydroxide. So metal oxide plus water, it will give metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay. So if somebody asks you that what happens when metals react with water, so your answer should be like this. When metals react with water, they form their corresponding oxide and hydrogen gas is given out. Okay. But if the metal oxide is soluble in water, it will further react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas is given out. Understood or not? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, have you noted this? Have you noted? Shall I up? Now, let us
Yes,
take.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, hurry up. Shall I up the board? Very less number of children have joined the class. Why? Very less. Only 34 children are shown here. Where is Vinisha Agarwal? Where is Archita Savita? Where is Kushagra Srivastava? Where is Kushagra Pal? ये सब बच्चे कहाँ हैं? मनाली सोनी कहाँ है? Okay, Vinisha is there. Where is
Yes, sir.
Manali Soni? Where is Manali Soni? Manali Soni, are you there? See children, this is an announcement for class 10th A. Are you listening? 10th A students, this is an
Yes,
important.
sir.
Yes, sir.
See children, I want your details like your blood group. Please pay attention. You can note down blood group, your residential address. Those who are DAE students, if they have CHS card, CHS number, your Gmail address. So these details I want. Are you getting my point? Ritika Meghwal, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So what you are supposed to do is, listen, I will create an assignment on Google Classroom. मैं Google Classroom पे एक assignment create करूंगा. आप लोग सुन रहे हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो मैं
sir.
Google Classroom में एक assignment create करूंगा. वहां पे आपकी जो डिटेल्स हैं, जैसे मैं 10th A के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. 10th B वाले बेटा, ये 10th B वालों को नहीं करना है, ये 10th A वालों को. तो आपकी जो डिटेल्स हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा ब्लड ग्रुप, फिर उसके बाद रेजिडेंशियल एड्रेस, और जिन आधार कार्ड, कुशाग श्रीवास्तव इज ए न्यू चाइल्ड, आधार कार्ड दे देना बेटा. रेजिडेंशियल एड्रेस हो गया, ब्लड ग्रुप हो गया, आधार कार्ड हो गया, और जो डीआई है उनका सीएचएस कार्ड नंबर. ये चीजें आप अपने गूगल क्लासरूम पे मैं असाइनमेंट क्रिएट करूंगा, वहां पे अपलोड कर देंगे. Have you
Okay, sir.
understood? Have you understood what I am expecting from you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
children.
sir.
Okay, and those who are not here, please inform them also. Okay, class 10th A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us move ahead. इसको रब कर दूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेटा? Listen, there are 3 categories of metals now. Metals of high reactivity, metals of medium reactivity, and very less reactive metals. तो हम लोग तीनों प्रकार के मेटल्स की रिएक्शन देखेंगे वाटर से. मेटल्स ऑफ हाई रिएक्टिविटी में क्या क्या देखोगे? सोडियम और पोटेशियम. क्या है बेटा? सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. Sodium and potassium are so highly reactive that when they react with water, they produce hydrogen gas immediately, and the hydrogen gas so produced immediately catches fire. Okay, that is why they are stored under kerosene. All of you know. Okay, ये रिएक्शन विद वाटर में ही चल रहा है. पहला ए कैटेगरी ऑफ मेटल्स, ए highly reactive metals like potassium, sodium react with water violently, violently. The reaction is highly exothermic, and hydrogen gas evolved immediately catches fire. Hydrogen gas evolved immediately catches fire. ठीक है. और क्या क्या बनेगा ये आपको सबको पता है. See, sodium and potassium are highly reactive metals. They react with water to form metal oxide, but that metal oxide is soluble in water. It forms hydroxide. Their respective hydroxide and hydrogen gas is given out. Along with that, a high amount of energy is also given out. So we will write down the equation like this. See, K, this is solid, plus H2O liquid gives KOH aqueous plus H2 gas plus heat. Similarly, Na solid plus H2O liquid gives NaOH aqueous plus H2 gas plus heat. Okay. Now, if if these equations are not balanced, you are supposed to balance. Please check whether they are balanced or not. See, children,
Sir, first वाली balanced है.
these are balanced or not? Please check it out. बैलेंस है कि नहीं ये चेक करो. See, this is not balanced. अगर हम लोग इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब बैलेंस होगा. Now it is balanced or not? Please check it out. Children, are you not paying attention?
Sir,
बैलेंस हो गया कि नहीं? Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Balance
Sir, second
है.
equation में भी
Balance or not?
Yes, sir,
Sir,
balance.
first equation balance है.
No, speak loudly. I cannot hear you, children. Sir, let us work on the second equation. Whether this equation is balanced or not. Check it out.
No, sir.
So how to balance? Ipsita, yes, tell me.
सर सेम प्रोसेस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे.
2 से multiply. Okay. Now check it out whether it is balanced or not. Check कर लो seriously. Only Vinisha and Ipsita, they are attending the class sincerely, and all others they are not.
Sir, अब balanced है.
Balance हो गई? Very good.
Yes,
Okay. Now have you noted this? Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am going to rub now. अभी हार्डली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स लिखा था. अब हम लोग देखेंगे मॉडरेटली एक्टिव मेटल्स लाइक कैल्शियम. Moderately active metals like calcium. Let us write down P. Metals like calcium, calcium react with water, react with water to form, to give hydrogen gas, but the reaction is not violent. Reaction is not violent, and heat given out is not sufficient. Is not sufficient for hydrogen to catch fire. Sufficient for H2 to catch fire. Okay. अब होगा क्या? कैल्शियम सॉलिड प्लस वाटर लिक्विड, इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट? कैल्शियम पहले तो बनाएगा कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, फिर कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बना देगा, देन हाइड्रोजन गैस. ओके. नाउ is this equation balanced? Kuldeep Singh, is this equation balanced? कुलदीप सिंह, ये बैलेंस है कि नहीं? कुलदीप सिंह, हाँ तो बैलेंस करो, बैलेंस इट.
सर H2O के आगे 2 लगेगा.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है ना? चलो अब देखो क्या होता है बेटा. लिसन, व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन दिस हाइड्रोजन गैस इज गिवन आउट. नाउ द बबल्स ऑफ दिस हाइड्रोजन गैस will stick to the surface of calcium, and thus calcium will become lighter. Calcium will become lighter and it starts floating on the surface of water. Understand? So the question is frequently asked, why calcium starts floating on the surface of water? So the answer is that when calcium reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is given out. So the gas, hydrogen gas which is given out, it sticks to the metallic surface and it makes lighter. So calcium surface starts floating on the surface of water. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us
Yes,
write
sir.
down. Calcium metal starts floating on the surface of water because hydrogen gas sticks to its surface. Please note down, everyone, please note down.
Noted, sir.
Very good. Manali, you are joining the class late. Why? Manali Soni, why have you joined the class late? Manali, I am asking.
Yes, sir.
मनाली सोनी, आई वांट द आंसर. क्यों इतनी देर में क्यों आए आप क्लास में? ओके नाउ, अब जैसे कैल्शियम रिएक्ट करता है, सिमिलरली मैग्नीशियम आल्सो रिएक्ट्स विद वाटर, बट ओनली द डिफरेंस इज दैट magnesium does not react with cold water, it only reacts with hot water to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay children, and magnesium also starts floating on the surface water in the manner similar to calcium because the hydrogen gas sticks to its surface and makes it lighter. Okay, let us write down this also. Shall I wrap this? Okay, I am wrapping. We will write down magnesium does not react with cold water, it reacts with hot water, to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and H2 gas. Magnesium also starts floating on the surface of water, because H2 gas sticks to its surface. तो कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम की रिएक्शन ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, बट द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट कैल्शियम रिएक्ट्स विद कोल्ड वाटर, but magnesium does not react with cold water, it only reacts with hot water to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, magnesium solid plus water, we will write down here hot water, we will write here hot. ठीक है ना? Please pay attention. Magnesium does not react with cold water, so it will form magnesium hydroxide aqueous plus hydrogen gas. Okay, all of you understood the difference between the reaction of magnesium and calcium with water? All of you understood or not? What is the difference?
Yes, sir.
This difference they will ask in the exams. Now, here you might be thinking that it is quite normal, but they will ask in the exam, and if you write wrong, it will wrong. Okay? Shall I rub the board now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I am going to rub now. देखो अभी हमने we are dealing with reaction of metals with water, but we have categorized the metals. Metals of high reactivity like potassium and sodium, they react with water violently to give hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas which is given out, it immediately catches fire because the reaction is highly violent. It is highly exothermic. Okay. Second, we have seen moderately active metals like calcium and magnesium. Calcium reacts with cold water to give calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, but the reaction is less violent, so the hydrogen gas does not catch fire. And magnesium does not react with cold water, it reacts with hot water to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It also starts floating on the surface of water because magnesium metal is covered with hydrogen gas, which makes it lighter. Okay. अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तीसरे metals of low reactivity इनसे. Okay children. Metals like aluminium, zinc and iron. कौन से metals बेटा? Metals like aluminium, zinc and iron do not react with either cold water or hot water. They react with steam. They react with what? Yes, Pragati Tripathi.
Steam.
Steam, yes, very good. Steam. C category of metals. C category of metals. C. Metals like aluminium, zinc, iron. Do not react either with cold water or hot water. Cold or hot water. Hot water. They react with steam. They react with steam. They react with steam to give metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Please pay attention. This is very, very important thing. Hydrogen gas. Okay. Because these metal oxides, please pay attention. These metal oxides of aluminium, zinc and iron, they are not soluble in water and hence they do not form their hydroxides. So the products obtained when these metals react with steam, they form only metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Be careful, okay? Let's see. CO4. Aluminium plus water. ये वाटर कैसा होगा? ये वाटर का फॉर्म क्या होगा बोलो? What will be the water form?
Gaseous.
हाँ, because it is steam. It is steam. और ये solid होगा. What is the form? Al2O3 plus hydrogen gas. हाइड्रोजन का फिजिकल स्टेट क्या होता है? गैस होता है. ओके. एंड एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का स्टेट क्या होता है? सॉलिड. Whether this equation is balanced or not, please check it out.
No, sir.
So in the course of time, please balance it. Meantime, I'm writing the reaction with iron also. Iron, H2O, gas, again steam. ये कौन सी ऑक्साइड बनाएगा? Fe3O4. Fe3O4 सॉलिड प्लस H2 गैस. अब बैलेंस कर लो इसको. बैलेंस कर लो. इनको बैलेंस कर लो बेटा. बैलेंस करो इसको. कर लिया बैलेंस?
Sir, first में
Yes, sir.
2 Al 3H2O
3H2O और
2Al
2Al हो गए बैलेंस.
और
3H2.
आगे 3H2
3H2 अब हो गए बैलेंस.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now second वाली कौन सी है? बोलो. सेकंड को कैसे करेंगे बैलेंस?
3Fe
3Fe, वेरी गुड. और
and
4H2O और
और सर 4H2.
4H2. Now balance. Now this equation is balanced. Please check it out. 3 atoms of iron, 3 atoms of iron. Then put your 8 atoms of hydrogen, put your 8 atoms of hydrogen. 4 atoms of oxygen, 4 atoms of oxygen. Okay, this is balanced now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now.
sir.
Now there are metals. There are some metals like lead, copper, silver, and gold. They do not react with water at all. That also we will write down. Have you noted this? Have you noted this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are some metals we will write down. There are some metals like lead, copper, silver, and gold. They do not react with water at all. They do not react with water at all. D category of metals. Metals like उस समय ना वो रीस्टार्ट हो रहा था, बहुत समय ले रहा था. Metals like lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with water. Do not react with water. Do not react with water. Okay, children. So with this we have completed the two chemical properties of metals. That is, first is reaction of metals with oxygen. Second, reaction of metals with water. Okay, children. So is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Please ask. Otherwise, we should wind up the class for today. And whenever we meet next time, we will see the reaction of metal with acids. How do metals react with acids? Okay, children. Is there any doubt? Okay, no problem. Then I am ending up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
And listen whatever I told
Please, sir.
about the details like blood group, CHS card, residential address, Aadhaar card. Okay, so this you have to send on Google Classroom. I will create an assignment. Okay, children.